Welcome back. Review Sample Z on YouTube. Let's look at this today. So let me just load. Okay, so we're here. So we're going to do this. Yes. We're going to do this in WPF today. And yeah, so let me get the project set up. So I'm going to create a new project. So you guys will run Visual Studio and do the same. You create a new project. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select WPF application. So you guys do the same. Okay, so give it a name. So I see EAM ice cream app UI. In ice cream app UI in WPF. Okay, so this is project name, solution name. I can just say ice cream app UI and thing like that. Then what we're going to do, okay, you select your folder you want your projects to be stored. So I keep mine here, so mine will go here. Then I'm going to click next. So next, so wait for that to load. Okay, so the framework which we use here doesn't matter. So I'm going to use .NET 8. So you guys probably have managed to download .NET 9. So you can use .NET 9 here, no problem. So I'm going to go ahead and press the create button. Then, okay, so to create the project, let me just pause again. I'll be back. Okay, so my screen just loaded. The project is running. So for the solution, I've selected ice cream app UI. That's the name. Then the project is ice cream app UI in WPF. So yeah, you've loaded your project, so everything should look like this. So let's get right to making things a bit more interesting. Okay, so come here. Say 500. Okay, 850. Okay, all right, that's better. 850. So come background, put the equal sign, so background will come here. So what's the color background? So that's the color background there. So that's not selecting. Why? Okay, all right, there we are. Okay, so we'll come here. Copy, or we can come here to the color picker and pick the same color here, then press copy. All right, okay. So for the background, then we'll come here, hashtag, then okay, so that's the color of our background there. So let's get started. Alright, okay, so let's continue. So let's bring in some resources here. So here we'll make a folder called, click add new folder. So I'll call it images, then we'll press enter. Okay, images there. Then we'll come to a folder, where are those images? Okay, I think they're in here. Okay, so mostly we'll need this one. Then we'll come here again and I put those ones. Okay, we need both of these. So these I just rotated them in image editing software like Photoshop. So I can click, copy, then come here, then paste the images in the folder. Hard copy and paste like that. Then let's see, what else can we do? Okay, so all right, okay, we come here. Just hold on, let me just check on something. Okay, I keep getting the step for some reason. Okay, so here we are. So we're back. So start here. So I have an IMAGE, an image tag. Okay, so we'll close that image tag for now. Then we'll have a stack panel. So we'll complete that stack panel there. Close that for now. Then image, copy that. Then we'll bring that there. Then let's select our source. Source images. Let's rename that to too many spaces there. Okay, there we go. Then copy. Okay, and images PNG. Alright, okay, so there's our lovely image there. So we'll do the same for the bottom one. Just get the source for now. Control C, Control V. Okay, so this one will be A, one will be B, then just rename that one. Okay, then I will press enter. Then ice cream image B PNG. Okay, then Control S. What's wrong? Okay, something's wrong. Just hold on. Close that window and open that window again. Okay, alright, the second image is there. So let's just give it a decent size. So this is height 500, width is 850. Let's just give it a decent size. Okay, start with HRI. Okay, horizontal alignment. So let's put it left. Okay, and then C. Then we'll come and get this one, horizontal alignment right. Horizontal alignment right. Okay, so let's see if we can get some decent size. Height, let's say 50. Too small. 100. 250 should be fine. Okay, 250. So height 250. So I'll do the same for this one here, the bottom one. Okay, so those are there. Then horizontal alignment. So we come now and do the vertical alignment. This one will be top. VRTICAL. Vertical. Vertical alignment. This one will be bottom. Okay, so let's make them a decent, slightly smaller. 220. Okay, 250, 220. All right, that looks good. Okay, yeah, that looks good. So let's work with our stack panel here. So what's the next thing we have here? Okay, we've got this image. Okay, let's work with that one. So I guess we can just get this image tag here, C, and put that there. except horizontal alignment will be center here, be center. Vertical alignment, okay, make it center for now, will be center. Then stack panel, okay, so stack panel vertical, vertical alignment center. Okay, so Control S. Alright, so we have that one there. So let's change the image. We want this one here. We'll just copy everything. Okay, so there, then we just go and paste that here. Okay, so yeah, nice image. Okay, so let's give it some height. And with this, too big. Okay, already at the height tag is already. So I can delete that one. So no, not 220, too big. No, still too big. Let's make it 150. Okay, 150. Alright, so yes, there. Then okay, vertical alignment, let's put it at the top for now. Top there, then put some margin there. Margin will start with 0,0,0,0 the first, then we'll come, this is left, so this is top, so top, let's do this, give it too little, too much, a little bit extreme. Let's go with this number. Okay, that seems okay. So okay, that's okay there. So come here. So what's needed next? So in UI design tool, so this one is called Lunacy. So the other UI design tools like Figma, Wondershare, Mockit. So I only managed to get this one to work offline. So this one works well for me because it works offline and things. So the next thing we're going to look at is some text here. So okay, we've got Nokia Pure Text, bold, font weight 32, text. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Okay, this is installed on my system, so WPF will pick this up. So if you don't have this font installed on your system, you can simply just download it online. Okay, it will be okay. I'll see if I can upload the starter file with this font here that you'll be able to use in the project and thing like that. So let's get to looking into that one. So we'll have a label. Would have used text block, but no, just use a label. So let's see. Okay, content. So content will be welcome. Okay, so let's complete that tag. So there's a lot of detail information here about this text here. So we've got bold, font size 32. So let's go with the font size, Control A, Control C, and come here. Font size 32. Font weight equals bold. Okay, then txt. Oh, no, not text, sorry. Foreground equals white. Okay. Alright, so equals white. So then we'll just move that horizontally, horizontal alignment. We'll bring it in the center. Okay, so that's starting to take up shape. Okay, looking good. All right, so come here, welcome to. So then we'll say font family. Okay, here, Nokia Pure Text. So I'll just copy that. I already have this installed on my system. To find the fonts on your system, you can simply just come here. Also not there, you can come here, control panel, so let's see that. Okay, just hold on. Okay, that has loaded fast. Okay, so we're here, then you come to fonts. Okay, that's taking some time to load. Come on. I need to switch to an SSD one of these days, don't worry, one of these days. Okay, so here we are. So these are the fonts in the system. So these are directly hot linked in WPF when you're working on a WPF project and thing like that. Then this, I think this one it installed this font. So this also is installed here. So but this font also hot link somewhere here. Let's see. Yeah, these are the fonts on the system and Google fonts. So there's no. Okay, that's a Google font. Okay, I guess so. System font. All right. Okay. So where do we go now? Okay, we're control panel. So let's search for that font. Okay, so there's the family of fonts. So we'll be using is it regular? Let me just see. Okay, Pure Text, no. Okay, Pure Text Light. Medium, okay. We'll use this one. Nokia Pure Text. So we'll add that. So we'll see if we'll get the desired result. Okay. So come here. Text it. I think that propagated. I didn't see. That's all done. Okay, no, it didn't propagate. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's go with that one. It's not medium. Okay, so we already have font family here, so we can delete that. Okay, Nokia Pure Text Light. No, one medium. Okay, medium will be just fine. So medium should be, yeah, this one, the font, this one here. I don't know how these things are named. Okay, Pure Text. Okay, so this one. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, whatever. It's just like that anyway. So we come here. So we have this text here also. So let's go back. Okay, so the same size font. So we do that. Control C. So Control V. Okay, so we'll come to Renex ice creams. That isn't supposed to have a space there. Okay. Renex ice creams. Oh no. Okay, Renex ice creams. All right. So we can minimize. Oh, sorry, in the wrong place. Content. Where are you? Okay. Okay, Renex ice creams. Okay, there we go. So that has propagated. All right. So let me just do this. Let's see, verify something in properties. pure text. Okay, pure text. So which one did it select? Okay, pure text light. Okay, as we just want Nokia pure text. Okay, so that should be fine. So that's what happens when we remove this. Okay, so that's the default Go UI font. Okay, so then we put that back. Okay, so that has propagated, and okay, so there we are. So let's save here. So save, let's continue. So it's another label again. So take Control C. Let me just move this up for you guys here. Okay, so Control C, then come and paste, Control V. So that's another label. Let's just get the font size for this label first. It's this one here. So font size is 13, then font color, and just copy that one in advance. So okay, that's 32, 13, foreground. Okay, so there we are. Let me just copy the text here. So double click that, copy that, Control C. So come back here, then we'll just paste that here. So see, in WPF the UI design is taking up shape nicely. It's nearly one-to-one with what is in the UI design tool here. So we're going to move to this one. Okay, so this one's going to be interesting. So let's get into this one here. So what would that be? A border. Okay, so let's get into that one. So we'll start with a grid. And grid will put everything on top of each other. So the first border, good, that's sensed, excellent. Okay, so the first border, so the border, let's see, width, what's the width of this one? Let's just go with this one. Width is 325, height 37. Okay, so back here, so say WIDTH width 325, height tab 27. Okay, so yeah, that has propagated where we need it to be. Okay, so background. Okay, background. So background, we come here. So we're looking for this color number here. So we'll just copy that one. Then we'll hashtag, then V. Okay, so there. Then let's see. Corner radius. What's our corner radius here? Do we have the corner radius there? Give me some corner radius, please. Okay, that's 20. Corner radius is 20. So let's come back here. So let's put that 20 there. Okay. Just hold on. Let me do this. Get this. See. The grid is looking kind of funky. Okay, all right, so there's a grid there. So now let's see. Maybe we can increase the height. Okay, 30, much better. So we'll copy this border here, Control C. So this one, we'll come and paste it here. So it's on top of that one there. So what we're going to do is, first of all, let's get that width for that top border there. So which is this one here. So the width is 250, height 26. Okay, all right. Okay, 250. Height 26. Okay, so just one moment. Okay, so let's get the color there. So I've got the color there. So just copy that value and come and paste it here. So there's our other border. Okay, it's a bit too thick, so let's make it 25. I think this corner radius is a bit extreme, so let's go with 10. 15. Okay, let's make the corner radius 15. Okay, yeah, that's much better. So now what we're going to do is I think I selected the wrong. Okay, width is supposed to be 42. Sorry. Okay, so let's get back. So with this here, 42. So then let's do horizontal alignment. We'll align this to the left. Okay, then margin, so we start first with 0, 0, 0. Okay, there's supposed to be 4 zeros there. Okay, so to the left we'll put another 10 there. Okay, that will be okay. Then to the right another 10, I think. Okay, so that will be for later on when the screen is loading. Then on top of this border we're going to put a label. So I think we'll get this small one here, Control C. Then we'll come here. Okay, we'll paste that on top there. So what this one is going to show is this here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then what we're going to do, okay, we'll come here. So that's the loading there. Then okay, so we're back. Okay, wait. So we come here. So another label again. So Control C. Then this one will come here. Okay, all right. So this one will come here. So this is what we'll call the prestige. So I'll copy this. Copy. Then we'll just add that there. Then Control V. And let's see. Okay, so there is, I think, just one more prestige we have to look at. Let me just see where this grid starts. Okay, so from there to there at 10, so it will end here at 10. Okay, that will be loading. Okay, so in the starter file I'm going to include this code of lines of code, sorry. So I'll just go to the solution, then main window, code behind. So we're going to include this lines of code here. So you guys will just go ahead and uncomment that, then Control C. Let me just get that there. We'll give the loading by name. Okay, front thing. Okay, so it's this border. So this border, want to give it a name. So give it a name. So say small x. Okay, small x, name, then V. So we'll put that there, brown loading bar there. Then what we're going to do for our second prestige is this. Save, then we'll come here, then we'll uncomment this line of code. So I'll just select everything, then uncomment, then you come all the way to the you come all the way to the bottom here. So the bottom here, what you're going to do for this video, we're just going to delete this here for now or anything like that. Then we'll copy this variable here, we'll copy that there, then Control C, we'll come to the front again. Then the front here, we're going to give this label written loading a variable name. So we'll do that, name and v, like that. So we'll save. Now let's come and look at this. So what this code is going to do is load the thing, animate the loading bar asynchronously to be an asynchronous task. So it will animate the loading bar asynchronously. Then this data will propagate on its own here. Then also here, what we've come and done is on the brown loading bar, the default width will be 1. By the time we reach the end of this, the default width will be 240. So that 240 will be in relation to the width of this bar here, which is 325 and things like that. So here for starters, the width of the loading bar, we can just make it even 0 for there, so it won't be seen there. Then we'll just press save there, then we'll come here again. Then this is an asynchronous task, so what we're going to do, we'll just copy this part of the method, then Control C, then we'll come here. Then here we're going to do this underscore equals v, then like that. So this is how you load asynchronous tasks in a constructor that is not asynchronous, like that. Then that is all there. Then let's see what's remaining. Come here, what's remaining here? Okay, everything seems to be in place there, and let's run the app. Okay, so while it's loading, I thought that we could talk just like a few minutes. So how it is .NET is a very powerful framework system, especially .NET, the new .NET Core, .NET 8, .NET 9. So those are very powerful framework systems. So the backend systems designed in .NET are very, very good. Very nice, well done, nicely designed, nicely developed. The APIs, repository patterns, code behind, all that is done nicely. But when it comes to the front ends, the applications just look scary. So the whole point of these videos which we're making here is we're trying to bring some life back. Okay, so we're trying to bring some life back into making the UIs or the front ends of .NET applications look good. So this is the whole point of this set of videos that will be coming out, starting with okay, here we go. Starting with the set of videos which you saw, the application being developed in Lunacy UI design tool here. Then we come and do that project in WPF there. And so you've seen the bar is loading, it's loading, 40%, a bit slow. 50% is loading, it's loading 60%. Okay, so that's the animation there. Then in the next video I'll show you how to we'll add the onboarding page in the next video. So this is the end of this tutorial. I'm just waiting for it to reach 100%. Okay, and there we are, 100%. Then let's just do okay, then that's done. So this is the end of this video. Any other UI design adjustments that need to be made, you can do that on your own. And this has been Review Sample Z on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Okay, welcome back. Review Sample Z on YouTube. Welcome back to episode 2. So here we're looking at UI design from UI design 2 like Lunacy all the way up to UI design in WPF. So we're going to pick up from where we left off. So in this video we're going to look at the onboarding page here. So pretty much got the same stuff the way it looks here and things like that. So let's get right into it. So here what we're going to do, we're going to start like this. So we have main window here. Then we'll just continue from our project where we left off. Then we'll right click there. Then we'll do add new item. Okay, so we'll add a new item. So new item will come to WPF. So WPF for now, for starters, what we'll do is we'll just select Windows since we're just doing UI design here. But for you guys, if you want to take this to the next level, you can design a hub for the application, then put the UI pages, UI designs which we are going to make in pages like that, the pages that will relate to the part of the application hub there. For now, we're just focusing on how the UI design is supposed to look in WPF and things like that. So for now, we're going to select window. So window, we're going to call it onboarding page. Onboarding page. Okay, so we'll add that there. I just hope it doesn't take time to load. It is, isn't it? Ah, beautiful. That was fast. Okay, so let's look at our UI design. So we're going to look at this here. Okay, so let's just get some measurements from here. This will do just fine. We'll even get the background. So copy that. Copy. Then we'll come here. Oh, sorry, not there. Ah, there we are. Okay, we'll come here. Then, okay, there we are. Control V. Then, good, the background looks nice. Okay, so then what we're going to do here is have, let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. Okay, so we're going to have 3 rows there. So we'll come here in the grid, then we'll do this. Grid row definitions, we'll complete the tag. Okay, then just do this. Okay, row definition. Just copy those. You don't have to copy anything here. Don't worry about that. Okay, so come and thing. So row definition, the first row definition, height will be 60. So okay, we'll leave that there. Row definition, the second one, height will be 20. Then row definition, the third one, height will be 10. And the thing like that. Then we'll come here. First thing we'll have is a stack panel. Okay, so the stack panel, the first one will be located in GRID. Grid row 0. Grid row 0. So this is always grid row 0 there. Then let's see. Come here. Okay, so this will be 1 row. So I want some space here in between. So we'll come here and do this. So I have another stack panel. Control C. V. There. Then label. We'll simply just get this one from our previous project. And Control C. Then we'll do this. So that will come here. So 0, 1. Then here, Control C. Then that will come here, Control V. 0, 1, 2. All the way down here. So it kind of look like that there. Then let's go back. Then okay, so this one, horizontal text alignment center, let's put it at the bottom. Oh, sorry, not the thing. Control Z. Okay, no, not horizontal alignment, vertical. Okay, so right there at the bottom. Then what we'll do, we'll come here, margin 0,0,0,0. Okay, so margin bottom, so we'll take this 0 at the bottom here, then just say 10. Okay, that looks good, that will be just fine there. Then okay, so then what we're going to do, then we can come to, okay, just to save time, we can come to our project here. Is that this one here? No. Okay, we'll come here and copy that, then we'll come here and we'll paste that there. Then we'll just need to make some adjustments. Okay, so this stack panel at grid row 0, let's put a margin there. Zero, then top is this one here. This is left, top, this is right, this is bottom, so top here. So let's say if we could do the one. Okay, so that looks good. Then we'll come here, and here we're going to do this on our own. So do a border. Okay, no, let me finish off this one. So come here, so background, let's get the background color. Okay, so the background color there. Then we'll come here, then BACK. Okay, background, then hashtag. Okay, interesting. Okay, all right, just hold on. Okay, so what's our width? 162, height is 39. So width, okay, so there's our button. Okay, so corner radius, okay, so what's our height? 39. So let's see how that will look. 15. Okay, 15, let's see, 18. Okay, 18, that looks good. Okay, so we're going to do this now to this border. Then inside this border we'll add a label, Control C, Control V. So same font size label. Then we'll come here. So this one will say SIGN, sign in. So say here we're going to do this vertical content alignment, so we'll put that at center, then that will come center there. Then okay, that is still at the top there. Okay, so then we'll come and do the same thing here. VER, okay, vertical alignment. Okay, so let's put that at the center there. Okay, no, okay, that's not working, so we'll do this. Margin equals 0,0,0,0. Okay, then top, oops, I'm going completely south. Okay, no, 40. Okay, 38 looks good. Okay, then what else is missing? not much. So orientation of this dark panel is not vertical, so orientation should be horizontal. Okay, so that is horizontal. Then HORI, sorry, horizontal alignment. Let's put that in. Okay, that's a stack panel. So what's going on? Yes, hold on, sorry, let's put that at 0. Okay, all right, there we are, horizontal. Then margin, where can we put that margin? To the left, okay, to the right. So we'll come here, right, we'll put 5 there. So create a small space in between for the next button that is coming. So Control C, then Control V. So sign in there, then orientation, then vertical alignment. That should now come. Oh, no, not vertical, sorry. Horizontal alignment, so that should now come. Ah, good, center. So there we are, done. Okay, so that matches that there. So that UI looks visually stunning, almost as if we were, designing in React Native or something like that. But this is WPF. Okay, so that looks nice there. So let's wire this part of the page to this one here. So what we're going to do is, let's come here first. Okay, no, mouse is stuck. Just hold on to. Okay, it's working. Okay, I can minimize there. Okay, so we'll come to the onboarding page. So come to main window here. So remember what I was telling you at the bottom there, the last episode. So what we're going to do here is this. Onboarding page. So just say OBPAGE, onboarding page. Oh yeah, we'll just say page. Boarding page. Okay, so then you just come here, then you can just use one of these. Put a 0 there. I have no idea why I put a 0 there. Okay, so comma there. So then we can come here. Okay, boarding page, yeah. Title, I don't think so. That's not what we're looking for. So dot SHOW. So dot show there. Then do that. Then we'll come here. Then when this loads, this window will close here. Then we can do that there. Now about here, the width is 240. So let's get back here. So here the width is 325. So 240. Let's do this. 240. Let's make this 250. The width is here. So 250. Okay, so 250 there. So 240, 250. So by the time it loads, it's okay. To show something there, just hold on. Okay. So that margin will be what now? 100? No, 50? No, not 150, sorry. 50. Just hold on. Let me do this here. Okay, so that will be 50. Then horizontal alignment left. Let me just align this right first. go align it right. So we want to get some numbers right for the margin here, so we'll just do that. Okay, so when it reaches 100%, it will end there. Then we can put this back here at left there, so that should be fine. So the width is, you can put it back at 0 there. Then okay, then 1 2 1 2, then yeah, we can run the application. So the whole point of these videos, like I mentioned last time, was the backends for .NET are good. The APIs are good, the code behind is good, repository patterns are good, service request processors are good. What else are those view models? Okay, that's in .NET MAUI. Even in WPF you can do. Everything is good, but when it comes to the front ends are a whole other horror show and things like that. So what we're trying to do is bring back the UI design into the front ends for .NET applications. So this is the whole point and purpose of these videos here. And the thing, so it's loading there 60%, 60, still at 60%, 70. Oh, the image has disappeared. Okay, we'll load that again. Let me do this. Why did the image not load? Okay, for the images, let me do this. So come here, properties, then build action, none. So do told embedded resources for Windows Forms. So for us, what we're going to do, instead of using embedded resource, we're going to use resources for WPF, then copy to output directory, copy if new. Okay, then we'll save that. Then let's run that again. Yeah, so you can see, oh dear, it has disappeared. Okay, no problem. Mouse has stopped working again. Just hold on. Oh, that loads. Okay. Okay, all right. Let's wait for that to load. So it should complete. Yeah, we're going to do the same thing in .NET MAUI. One of these days, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, does that reach at the end? Okay, nice. All right, okay, a bit. All right, I don't know why the images are not loading. Okay, maybe we can sort out that. Let's see. We can clean the project. Okay, logo. Okay. Okay, let's clean the project. So we come here, rebuild. Okay, clean. Clean one succeeded. Okay, let's see if that will show again. Okay, there we are. Okay, so that's loading. Okay, let me save you guys some time also. Let me do this. Okay, there we are. All right, so yeah, that's everything there. So I'll show you how to, just hold on, let's make some changes in hot reload. All right, you sign in, so this one will be sign up. So sign up there. So hot reload let's see. Okay, sign up there. Okay, so that has changed there. So whatever other adjustments that need to be done, you can look into that. Like for example, if you put full screen here, you notice that this is here. So how are you going to position that? There you bring it down to maybe the center here to make it look thing. Then you'll find a way how to make this bar maybe disappear or something like that. So you figure out that on your own. So that's like a small challenge. Then review sample Z on YouTube, and yeah, next episode. Review sample Z, welcome back. This is another episode. Today we're going to be looking into the sign-in page and things like that. So let's get started on our mission. You know, we want to make the front ends for .NET applications look good. You know, like those React Native apps and stuff like that. Except we don't have in .NET we don't have 20 JavaScript frameworks. No, us we only have 4 dedicated project types, 5 dedicated project types, as opposed to the 200 million JavaScript frameworks that are out there. Total gibberish. All right, let's get into it. Okay. Add new item. Okay, so we're still going with the window here. Yeah, we'll go with the window here. So here, this window will be login page. LOGINPAGE. Okay, for UI design and thing like that. So that's loading. Okay, it's loaded there. It's loaded. So we're going to be looking at this whole source code here and thing like that. So I'll just copy that there. And actually I need to copy this first. We'll copy that there, Control C, then we'll come here, then we'll paste that there, then yes, that looks nice. Okay, so what are we looking at here? Two rows. Okay, so that will be 2 rows. Okay, so we'll come here, let's get our rows 1, 2, we just need 2. Then here in grid we'll come here, grid dot row definitions, then there. Okay, so we're going to go like this, except here this will be 90 and that will be 10. Okay, so we'll save that there. Let me do this for you guys. Okay, for this episode let me just change the format. You guys can maintain the same format that you're using. I want to change the format because of the overlay that I have there, so I'll switch to this one. Then I'll minimize that solution explorer. Then yeah, that looks like totally super funky awesome and stuff like that. Okay, so let's get right into it. Yes, the usual copy and paste. Okay, so we're going to copy and paste this from the previous window. So let's go into it. Solution explorer, please. Onboarding page, thank you. Okay, I'll be what a stack panel. Okay, so we'll copy. No, let me copy. I just need the inside tags. Then we'll come here. So this is going to be a long stack panel. So let's get into it. So stack, okay, stack panel. So let's complete that tag there. So let's put this stuff in there. Okay, so far so good. Yes, okay. So our stack panel here, we'll come to margin. we'll put a margin there, then 0, 0, 0, 0. So this 0 here, that is always left, remember, or that is always left, this is always top, okay, this is always right, this is always bottom. So we want to make adjustments to the top, so let's put 10 there. Okay, that looks realistic there. Then okay, we're continuing our escapade with our stack panel. So what do we got here? Tell me something. Okay, so label and the border, and the border has got no, they're known as what, strokes. Then here border color. Okay, border color. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into it. So let's start with the label. The label will be email. Oh, cool. That looks good. Okay. Where does our stack panel? Okay, horizontal alignment, center. So left. Okay, let's just put that at the far end there. For now, let me do this for you guys here. Okay, and that is at the far end there for now. So let's get some realistic with this on that stack panel. Okay, so there we are. Then let's get a border. Let's get a border in there. Close that tag. Okay, so the first thing we want is 325. That's the width. 325 and 39 height. Okay, let me just bring this in here. Where are you? I no shame in using calculator. Mouse is dead again. Okay, let me bring it back to life. Okay, mouse is back. Okay, so that's what, 39, the height is 39. So I'll divide that by 2, 19.5, okay. Corner radius, let's see if it will allow us to put that figure. Ah, it has allowed. Okay, corner radius. Width, okay, HEIGHT 39. Okay, so background, white. Okay, and white, I remember that. Oh, that's looking funky. Okay, so there we are. Let's see, border brush. We haven't used you in a while. Let's use this. So let's get that brush color. Hashtag then V. So border thickness. Okay, border thickness. Okay, just keep it at 1. Yes. Then okay, that is looking okay. Label. Oh no, that is too wide. Let's do this. 350. 350. Then for the email, then we can come here. 0,0,0,0, then left margin. So left margin, let's try a 5 for now. Eight. Okay, 10. Okay, that looks good. So let's see. Okay, all right. Okay, password. All right. Oh, sorry. Let's do this. Okay. Copy that. Enter that there. Then let's realign that properly. Okay, so our label, let's put some space there. So our label will be password. Content will be password. Password there. Then let's see what else is missing. Okay, we'll need one of these underneath there. Okay, so this one will say existing user. Oh no, new user. No user, question mark. Okay, sign up. Then it will be the opposite on the other page, and thing like that. Then, well, this window kind of small. This window is kind of small. Okay, so since it's kind of small, let us increase height. Let's make it 600. Okay, 600. With this, make it 9. Okay, it's got like at least like a widescreen effect, I think. Okay, it'll have to do for now, but yeah, either way it's okay. Then we come back here. Okay, we have our button. Okay, so to save time, we'll simply just do this. The reason why I'm avoiding to use the actual button in WPF is because the border, when you do hover on the button, the hover effect doesn't overlay completely on the border like that. So there's a few extra mechanisms I think that need to be put together for that to work, but this will work either way. This method which I'm going to show you here. Okay, so yeah, our UI is looking good. So let's get down to that. V there. Okay. Okay, so we'll put a margin on top. Okay, good. So margin 15. Oh yeah. So that's it for the stack panel. Just hold on. What's the width this? Oh, this is 325. Height is 39. Okay, so let me just do this for you guys. Okay, you can see everything there, and we'll do that there. Then we'll do that there. So with this 325, height is 39, corner radius is 18. That was our calculation there, 19.5. Okay, that looks kind of sharp. And yeah, so now for the prestige. Okay, okay, so we'll copy that control and we'll come and put it here. Right, didn't copy anything. What? Okay, so copy. Okay, then come here, control V, we'll paste that. Let me just bring this into perspective. Okay, there's a lot. Okay, so that should look much better. Then okay, so you can see everything in perspective. So what are we missing? Okay, nothing. So we come now to onboarding page here. So onboarding page, this is what we're going to do, at least for UI design purposes. So come here, border. If you want, we can do this small x, then that we can give it a name. So we'll say sign in, then we'll do the same for this one. Copy that, just copy that. Okay, let me not forget to do that. Okay, so there, then we'll paste that there, except here it won't be sign in, it will be sign up. Okay, so sign up. Then for UI design purposes, this is what we're going to do here. We'll say mouse, we'll select mouse down. So mouse down, we'll create a new event handler. So that new event handler will be based on the name. We'll do the same for this border, somewhere here, mouse down, a new event handler based on, just hold on, okay, that's in the wrong place there, sorry, let's put that here. Alright, so there, then mouse, mouse down. There are many avenues of how this can be done in WPF, but this is just for now. So you can sit down, do some research, see how maybe if you want to incorporate a button, see how you can do rounded edges on the button and stuff like that, and think. Then yeah, we can come back and do some videos. I can come back and do some videos if you'd like, based on some dedicated WPF videos like the ones which I have on how to in WPF, the series. There are 2 episodes right now, but there'll be more by the time these videos air and things like that. So new event handler, we'll click that, so that's okay there. Then okay, the 2 pages, so the 2 page, the two pages, 2 directions. So we'll just leave this for now here, so focus on this one. So right click here, then we say view code. So we're viewing code, so we want to go to the sign in page. So the sign in page, will do this, login page dot, the login page, login page, new login page. Okay, so I don't like to use that one, so I just prefer to leave things like that. Then we'll come here, then we'll say hello GIN, login page, tab, show. Okay, so there are 2 options you can do. You can do show, you can do show dialog. So when you do show dialog, what happens is the previous window will still be there. It won't move from there or anything else, but this should be slightly more efficient. So we're going to do here close, close. Remember, this is just specifically for UI design. There's the other approaches which you use when you use this UI design in the fully functioning application and thing like that. I think I'll show you a fully functioning application where you can apply this UI design and stuff. Okay, so we'll save that. Then let's have a look at our login page. Oh, it looks phenomenal, totally awesome. Okay, so cautionary tale. So we come here, let us clean the project first to be on the safe side. Okay, succeeded. Then let's run. I'll just save you guys some time. Okay, so here we are. We've reached the sign up onboarding page. So the one which we put some functionality was the sign in section here, the border and the label. So we'll click that one and it will bring us here. So that window is closed. So this window is the one which is open in perspective. So next episode we'll come and click here and we'll go to the product page. But for now, we're going to next episode we're going to work on the sign up page. Review Sample Z on YouTube. Peace. Review Sample Z, welcome back. So let's get to the next section. So this time we're going to look at putting together, designing the sign up page. So let's get right to it. So here what we're going to do, Solution Explorer. So ice cream, okay, all right. New, is it add new item? Okay, so we add a new window. So this one will be sign up page. Sign up page. Okay, so there won't be that much of a difference between the sign up page and the login page. We'll just wait for it to load. Okay, so I'm going to change format to this for you guys' sake. So go to the login page. So mostly we're going to copy mostly everything that's here on the login page. So we'll start from here all the way down here, everything in that grid there, then cut, copy. We're not going to cut, we're going to copy, then come to our sign up page, then everything here, there, then we're going to paste. Okay, so we'll pick up from where we left off. Let me just do this. Okay, so you can see the whole tag in perspective. There and there and there. Okay, there and there. Okay, so there we go. Now let's pick up from where we left off, except we're not looking at this now, we're looking at this here. So here we, in the previous page, we had 1, 2 text boxes. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 4. So what we're going to do is simply this. So border label, content, sign in. Okay, so the button, sign in. So that will say sign up. Okay, sign up. Then this label here, new user, it won't say new user, it will say EXISTING, existing user, sign in. Existing user, sign in. Then we'll come up here. Then we'll just need, let's see, let's do that. Label and border, just copy that. So let me put that off. Sorry. Label and border. So let me put that in perspective there. Okay. So let me do that from here. So cut, no, not cut, but copy. Then we'll say 1, 2, enter. Then okay, so that is 3. Let's just clean that up. Okay. Oh yeah, so clean that up. Then let's add another one more. Okay, so that one's not showing because of height, so let's adjust the height. But before we do that, let's just clean up real quick here. Okay, it's all good. Okay, so okay, so that's okay. So let's adjust the height now. So where's our height? Height is here 600. So let's say 650 will do. no. Okay, let's go 750, but we'll do this 700, then we'll save, then oh dear. What is wrong with this one? Let me see. Okay, so let's see if we can copy that. Okay, so no effect. Okay, so height. Okay, so let's see, 800. Let's just make it 800. Okay, 775. So that's okay. This won't matter when you maximize the window. Oh, that is looking weird. Let's make that 1000. Nope, we're not getting that effect. Okay, 1000. We're getting the widescreen effect. No, still not. 1200. Okay, it won't matter when you maximize the window in the production version of the application and things like that. So this is everything that's required. So let's just make some adjustments. So let's see. Name, email, password, address. Name. So this is this label here. You can see the name. So which one? Okay, content. Okay, so here we are. Content, email. So that will be name. So name, password. Name, email. Name, email, password. Okay, address. Name, email, password, address. Okay, so here we go. Name, email, password, address, existing user, sign in, sign up, existing user, sign in, address. Okay, and yeah, so let's wire up that one. So it was on which page here? Okay, so it's a sign up page, so let's just save first. Okay, so SIGN. Sign up page. Good. Sign up page dot show this dot close. Okay, so I don't know, the dumb robot is actually working now. Okay, so that has been wired up. So so how are we going to do this? Okay, so when we just hold on, cautionary tale. Take some precautionary measures first. Clean that up. Clean that up, then we'll come here. Then here what we'll do, it's just for debug purposes. So we'll select all this here, all this line of code here, up to, is it there? Yeah, up to there. Then what we're going to do is we'll comment that out so that it can load slightly faster and stuff like that. Then yeah, let us run the application. let's see. So okay, and my looks scary. Okay, there we are. Okay, so here we are. So we saw the sign-in page, so let's see the sign-up page now. Okay, so there we are. So when we click sign up, when you come to the sign up page, it will take us to the product page. So when we click sign in button, it will take us to the login page. So when you click login there, it will take us to the product page. So the next thing we're going to look at is the product page. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. We meet back here again. Peace. Okay, review sample Z on YouTube. We're back. So this is the next part of the UI design series in WPF, from UI design to like lunacy. So we're moving the designs from here to WPF once we can replicate them there in WPF. So just strictly UI design. So I think this will be the last video. We'll see. Okay, we'll see about that one and stuff like that. Maybe I can make one more based on I don't know, based on this, but this is just simple straightforward logic here and thing like that. So let's go back. Okay, so this is where we are here. So let's do this. Let's come to VS Code first. So get these images, just hold on. New file, review in File Explorer. Okay, so we're going to get all these images. So these images are quite big, but they'll work in WPF. Most definitely work in WPF and things. So just get everything. At least just the images. Now these two we don't need. These three actually we don't need. We just need this, that, and that. So cut. Okay, copy. So I'll copy that. Then we'll come here. No, not there. Then come here. Okay, we'll stop that. Then Solution Explorer. We'll come and put paste images. Okay, so images. So select everything. Except image. So except image B, image A, and image ice cream delight logo there. So then we'll right click, then properties, then build action. We'll say resource. Okay, copy out to output directory. Copy if new. Okay, just to be on the safe side. Then okay, we can do that. Then yeah, we come back to Solution Explorer. So yeah, everything's all good there. And then let's get started. So you have to commit everything you see here to mind, all the way up to here. Okay, so everything going up all the way up to there. All right, so we'll start here. So this one will be full screen. So I'll get everything here and do this, and then Control C, then Control C. Then I'll come and create a new page here. Add new item. Okay, so add new item. It will be a window. Don't worry. This is just for UI design purposes. And we'll say product page, PRODUCTPAGE. Let me just get the lights. product page, then add. Okay, so wait for that to load. So yeah, we're making UI design in WPF great again. So that's the mission with this set of videos here. So I'll just paste that stuff here. Control V. Okay, so that looks bigger than usual. So when it's the application runs, this will be maximized and the thing like that. Okay, so okay. Stack panel. So stack panel will have a label. Have a label, then just complete that tag there. Okay, so yeah, everything should propagate. Let me do this. Okay, let me do that for now. And the thing, so label, so let's get started. Okay, so hi, welcome back, Nolan Westwood. Okay, so Nokia Pure Text bold 24. Font weight, font family, font weight, font family, Nokia Pure Text. Content, so tab, so say HI. Let me see. Okay. Foreground. Foreground white. Okay. Orientation horizontal. Okay, so I seem to have got that in the right place. Okay, let me get that. Just so on the safe side. Okay, the font size is extremely Okay, small. Okay, so let's do this. Horizontal alignment. Let's bring. Okay, good. Everything is in the center. Okay, that looks good. Let's make that. Okay, 25. Ah, good. 25. Okay, so that's okay. So that's our first stack. Okay, so that's going to be 90. Okay, so okay, so I think we can get this text. What are you buying today? What are you buying today? T-O-D-A-Y. Okay. So let's see. That matches that. Okay, that matches that. So question mark. Just hold on. Okay, all right. So move you to the left. Okay, so I move this to the left. Okay, let's try content alignment first. Nope. Nope. That did not work. Horizontal alignment. Okay, now we know why that didn't work. Okay, so there we are. Stack panel. Okay, so that is one stack panel. So okay, 400. Then let's see, margin. Okay, so this is mouse again. Okay, so Nolan Westwood. So this font size is 18 actually. Then vertical alignment. Okay, there we are. Then we'll put a bit of some margin at the top. So let's see, I think we can do this. Okay, no, 0, 0, so top, so 8. Okay, that works. All right, so okay, so let's add the margin for also Nolan. Okay, so for this one also. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so left margin 5, 8. Okay, 12 looks fine. Okay, so that's okay. Then okay, so we have that there. So that is in row 0. Okay, that is in row 0. So this is one stack panel. So I think okay, we'll do this. Another one will come here. Stack panel. Okay, then there, then X V there. Okay, so that will take care of that one above there. Then need another stack panel again. Just follow along, just hold on. Edge brush. Okay, that's a new one. Okay, so we'll keep that one there. Then let me just do this. Okay, we'll get that. Okay, so we'll keep that there, and then we'll bring this here, X. Let me get this with this. Okay, so that one. So okay. Okay, there we are. So is our first image. Let's get this one. I just need okay, I don't need anything else here. I just need these. That's all. everything else will get from the UI design tool. Okay, the view. Alright, okay, there we are. So that goes grid row 0 by default. So corner radius 20, 0, 0. Okay, for starters. Then we'll come here, and come 20, 20. Border thickness 1, so let's get that border brush there. Okay, so here, copy. Okay, I think I have a few minutes before the lights go, or something like that, to get this done. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so there, that's the border brush. So background. So background will come here. There's our background. Okay, Control C. Hashtag. Okay, so there's our first image in. Okay, so label. Now the border. So under that one. So everything we need to get from here. So this is our label. Nokia Pure Text Bold, font size 13. Font size 13. So that's the actual name of the ice cream. We'll come there. There, okay, there. Just hold on. Okay, so let's literally position this. Okay, there. So that's in grid row 0. I don't know if you can be seen. Okay, it's there, grid row 0. So let's move it to grid row 1. So there it is in grid row 1. But grid row 1, is it foreground? Okay, so foreground we're going to use this color, coffee black. Okay, so hashtag, then V, then okay, there we are. Horizontal, because content alignment this time, center. Vertical content alignment, center. Okay, for this size font, okay, no, for the size image, let's do this. No, 525. Oh, too big. Okay, yes, it's there we are. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, okay. save. Then we come here. What's our price? Okay, we'll put your currency there. This is my currency for my country. Of course, for UI design purposes, but in the system you can regionalize. There's a feature you put in the production app where you regionalize, then it automatically adjusts according to region where the application is being used there, and thing like that. Okay, let me do this. Okay, copy. Okay, then Control V. Okay, so there we are. So that's the border. So this is stack panel. So the stack panel, how we're going to do this, we're going to orientation. Okay, orientation equals horizontal. Nasty. Went to the far side. Okay, so get this. Control C. Control V. Okay, so now this border, okay, we'll always do it here. Margin. So margin tab 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so right margin. So we want a space of, is it 5 or 10? Okay, 10 will look realistic. So get that and copy. Sorry, the light's about to go, so I just want to, I'm rushing to get this part done real quick and thing like that. Okay, so there, that one. Then we'll copy this again. Control Z. Then Control V there. Okay, so when we run it in full screen mode, everything will make a whole lot of sense and stuff like that. So okay, right. So let's come here, let's add another image. So that was assorted ice cream lollies. So Solution Explorer, so images, assorted ice cream lollies. Okay, Chocolate Crunch Tuesday. So I'll just select everything there. Control C. So for the second image, I'll come here and do this. Chocolate Crunch Tuesday. Okay, good. Then I'll come and select this here. Then I'll Control C. Then I will Control V there. Then that will look like that. Then Chocolate Crunch Tuesday, maybe we'll just make this 60 or 55 kwacha US kwacha. Okay, then the next one we'll change the image, get a third image. No, not Chocolate Tuesday, let's go with Strawberry Power Tuesday, Strawberry Sandwich, no, Vanilla Crunch Tuesday. Okay, so this is the third one, I think. Yeah, Control V. Okay, so that one, then here V, then here we'll say maybe 35 US kwacha, sorry, 35 US kwacha. Okay, then Control S, then okay, so that's everything. Run it. Okay, there's a whole lot more features that are supposed to be crammed into this layer of the page here. So I'll just get this for now. the prestige. Okay, the prestige I'm going to get from here. Okay, then we'll come and look at this another time. So just zone that out. Then okay, so that's that. Because there's a lot to have to cram in, so let me end the video here. And yeah, anything like that. I'm not sure if the lights are going to go and thing, but if they don't, I'll make the video a few minutes after this one. But yeah, you guys will watch it some other time later on. One, I think after a few days after this one will air and thing like that. So let's just run that. Oh dear, I forgot to hot wire. Let me stop there, sorry. Okay, let's look at sign up page. So sign up page, we'll come here, then we'll say or name, small name, X and small name. Okay, there, and then we'll say just give that a name, sign up button. Then here we'll come and say MOUSE, mouse down. So mouse down, we'll create a new event. So to create event handler, oh dear, okay. Okay, it's already it's created. Alright, so then we'll go to view code. So view code, we'll say PRODUCT, product page. So product page, product page equals sender. What on earth is that? No, I don't know what that is, but it's working. Okay, so product dot show. Okay, product dot show. Then all right, okay, there. Then this dot close. Close this window when that window opens. Okay, so we'll do that. The okay, so this is a sign up page. So we'll get this and do the same for. Just right click and copy. We'll do the same for the login page. So login page will come here. So label content here. So we'll look for small name, X name, not just name, X name. So X name, name there. So name there. Then we'll say sign in, LOGIN, BTN. So login button. That login button, that one. Sign up button. Login button. Then mouse down, MOUSE. Mouse down. So mouse down. We'll say tab for new event handler. Okay, it has created. So we'll go to view code. Okay, so view code. Then we'll come here. Enter. Control V. Okay, so we'll add that there so that either direction we go. It will load to go directly to the product page. So let's see how the product page looks. So cautionary tales as usual. So let's clean up. Okay, so we clean, then store, save. Okay, no, that was not supposed to load, sorry. Okay, all right, we'll just press that save. Okay, then here we go. So if I can get this video done before the lights go. Okay. Okay, so let's go to sign in. Oh, sign up, sorry. Okay, when to sign up. Okay, either way it's okay. So sign up. Okay, so there's the product page. So let me do some hot reload. Some design in hot reload mode. Product page. Okay, so this dark panel, what's its orientation? Was it this? Okay, horizontal alignment, center, center, save there, hot reload, then that should, yeah, so that's the product page. Then we can do this. There's a margin on top of the product. So okay, so margin, so margin there, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then bottom 10 we'll say 20, so 20, then save and hot reload. Then let's see what changes we'll see there. Okay, the changes are in the wrong place, sorry, not bottom but top. So just X that out, put that there, Control S, hot reload that situation, then okay, so there the space has been made there. Then yeah, so we'll come and continue from where we've left off here. So we'll come and continue in the next video. So basically this is the products page. So this is how, yeah, the products will look from the sign in. After signing up, you have to log you in. If you're using the production version, if you're logging in, you log in. Then when you log in, it will bring you to this page if you're using the production version of the application. Then there are extra other UI features that could be added and things like that. So just end there. Then thanks for watching Review Sample Z on YouTube. I'm out. We'll come back. Let's have a look at this. Let's continue from where we left off. So we're going to do this today. So let's sign in. Let's spell it wrong. Okay, just wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so this is where we left off last time. So we only did the top 3 images, 1, 2, 3. So these ones are not necessary. You can copy and paste these on your own in the thing tutorial file. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. When we click on this one, this will increase by 1. When we click on this, it will increase by 2. When we click on that, it will increase by 3. When we click on that, it will increase by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 13. Double click that. Okay, so then what we're going to do now, we're going to click on this. Then this is what is going to happen. So when we click on that, to bring us to this screen here. So this screen here will place order. So when we place order, this will come, a notification will pop up. Payment sent to preferred payment platform. Thank you for using Renex ice creams. Then we'll click that. Then okay, that will close. Then yeah, so let's pick up from where we left off. Okay, so here we are. So let's look at that cut basket there. So what we're going to do here is do this. I'll copy this. Okay, so Control C, and I'll paste that there. So what will happen is we'll have a border. So we'll name the border cut button. Then mouse down will be cut button, mouse down. Border brush will be brown color. Then margin will be 0,5, 135, 0. Horizontal alignment will be to the right. Border thickness will be 1. Then corner radius will be, all four corners will have 20. Width will be 100. Then let me just do this. So width will be 100, height will be 50, background will be yellow. So the background color for the cut basket will be yellow, like that. Then image source images will be cut PNG. So cut, we'll come to images here. So I've got cut there. So this will be part of the starter kit file. You'll find cut there in the starter kit file, in the cut list and things like that. Then label, will name it X item count. Then font weight will be bold, font family will be Nokia pure text, padding will be 5. Then margin will be 0,0,0,5. Then content, we're going to bind the content to something called count. Then we'll update source trigger using property changed. Then we're going to do the foreground will be the foreground for the label will be coffee black. Then the font size will be 30, where the numbers will appear there. Then horizontal content alignment will be center, vertical alignment will be center, width will be 45, height will be 45. So that will go in the stack panel. Then this will be moved to horizontal alignment to the right, this side. Then let's see the code behind. So code behind, we're going to do this. Let's have the string code count. Then private void count of cut ITE, count of cut items, MS. So we'll join this, make that letter I, capital letter I, C, capital letter C. Then count C, count there. Then okay, then we'll do that there. Then what we're going to do, okay, there's another bracket missing here, so we'll close that there. So that should propagate now. Then what we're going to do is get the name of that variable, the product page, so the label. So the label is called item count. So I'll say Control C. Then we'll come to code behind, review code. Then here we'll say Control V, item count dot content. Okay, dot content equals COUNT count plus plus. Let's see. oh, wrong card. Okay, so that content, then okay, so we'll leave that there for now. Then we'll come back to product page. Then product page will do this, back, new event handler, so it should generate an event handler there. Then we'll come here, review the code. Okay, so there's our event handler, so we'll do this, Control C, Control V. Okay, so we'll get this event handler. So for now we can just do like this. So let's copy. Then we're going back to the product page. So product page kind of complicated, right? Okay, so here we are. So we'll start with the first one here. Then here come and say MOUSE. So let's remember this is for UI design purposes only. Then we'll select this event here, border, and come and do the same here. Come and do the same here. Then here, oh sorry, oops, MOUSE. So mouse down, and we'll come and select the same event again. Then we'll save there. Then what will happen now? Okay, so we have an event trigger around the cut item button. So cut button, mouse down. So let's have a look at that first. Okay, that's a cut button, mouse down. Okay, let's not add that there. So what we're going to do here is add this. Okay, we don't have that page for this tutorial, so we'll just add a blank window. New item. Okay. So what we're adding would actually be this payments page, this one. So just name it, no, okay, WPF. So it's a window, so say payments page. Payments, PAGE, payments page, then we'll add that there. Okay, so then now what we're going to do, okay, we'll let that propagate, we don't need it right now. And we'll say PAY payments page. Okay, then equals NEW. Okay, we'll in there. Then let me just scroll up here. Okay, then there, then what we're going to do, once here, .show. So this time around we just do a short dialogue. Then okay, so that's it. That should propagate now. So now going back to the product page, so what will be happening is the content here will be loading dynamically from the database. So when you select in the production version of the app, when you select, it will add data from this product you have chosen here, and it will add it in there along with some other data. So like there will be like category list. Is it a category list? Okay, it will be like this product. If it's under a certain category, it will be listed. Then this product, then how many times I've selected this product there. Then this will propagate here. Then when you load in the production version, that's the information which will be shown here. So you guys will give you a small challenge. You go and make this on your own on the payments page or the my cart page and the thing like that. Then let me just minimize that one. So okay, let's try it out. Okay, just hope it won't take long to load. Yeah, so like I've been saying all along, so I want to bring back the awesome UI design in .NET projects like WPF and .NET MAUI, because mostly all the backend systems are really designed proper. The APIs, the code behind, microservices, all that is done nicely. But when you come and look at how the full application looks when it's running, it's just okay, go take a horrific view. So the whole point of these videos is to come up with a very appealing UI design for a project designed in .NET project types on .NET, like .NET Core, .NET Framework, or something like that. So let's see. Still loading. I don't know why it's still loading, why it's taking long. Okay, there we are. So okay, I'll let that load. So you can see the UI is very visually appealing, right? But it's a WPF project here. I think so. Just got to sign up and sign up here. Okay, so we've reached the product page. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'll just out F4. Okay, I think these okay, build action none. Okay, resource, copy of new. At least let me see. Okay, same thing. Alright, I think I copied this the last time I was working on the previous video. I just copied them in advance. I forgot to change the file properties. So I'll say copy new. Okay, then save, then let's load that again. Okay, so this will go and do research. You see how property changed or works. Or I'll make a video in the how to WPF series. I'll show you how to use these here and thing like that. Then okay. Okay, let's let that load. Okay, sign up again. Okay, so there we are. Okay, so that has loaded. So let's see if this will work. Okay, the code is working the other way around. So let me just do this again. How did it go wrong? So let's come here, cut button, mouse down. Okay. Let's delete that. I come to product page. Okay, so that's what happened. Okay, event handler. Okay, cut button, mouse down. Alright, okay, so here supposed to do this, not this one. Okay, event handler, put the mouse down. Okay, so we'll do that. border mouse down, border mouse down. Okay, we'll save that. So then we'll go to the, I'll just get rid of that one. Okay, products page. So border mouse down, cut mouse down. So we'll bring this here, Control C, then Control V, then we'll put this products page, PRO product page. Okay, so I like to do things like this. Okay, then come here and just bring that up here, and we'll say PRODUCT product page. So product page, so say SHOW, show dialog, just this time around. Okay, then there we are. Then let's run that. So today the machine is making a lot of noise. That's the sound you're hearing in the background there and seeing. It's just not fast like an SSD. Okay, here we go. So yeah, wait for that to load. So the videos for .NET MAUI will be airing every Wednesday. The videos for WPF will be airing every Tuesday. The videos for UI design in Lunacy will be airing every Monday. And so you follow along, and yeah, we will learn something. Okay, so here we go. Oh, our 0 is there. That's so awesome. Okay, let's click that 1, click that 2, click that 3. So that has added there. Then let's click that. What happened? Okay, let's Alt F4. One of these do load. Okay, so Alt F4. Okay, just one moment, I'll be back. Okay, sorry, not product page, payments page. AY, payments page. Okay, so there we are. So payments page, so we can click that, then let's run that again. Okay, let me just skip this. Okay, so here we are. We're back now. So let's try this again. So 1, okay, 2, 3. Okay, so then we'll come and click the cart item. Then it has opened this window, so the payments data will be here. So the challenge for you guys is you come and design the payments page according to what's here. You come and do this on this page here, then you load this page from here, and yeah, then that's that. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Review Samples Z on YouTube. So I'm off to make the .NET MAUI videos. Thanks for watching, and yeah, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let's learn something.